Yo.
여러분 안녕하세요. 저는 단실입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Chingu. So as in my previous video, I had mentioned that this is going to be our last K-Influencer monthly mission, and you know what? The 5 months mission has already came to an end, and feels really mixed feelings. I really am glad to be a part of K-Influencer program and K-Influencer Academy, and it's great to be a K-Influencer. So thank you so much to our managers for their efforts and hard work and giving us such amazing Daebak monthly missions every month. So our last monthly mission of K-Influencer is on the topic Me, which means the beauty of Korea. Yes, Me means beauty, and today's video is going to be about my favorite K-beauty. Korean beauty has gained, world-class popularity, and people from all over the world are, literally dying for K-beauty products. Yes. So, few days ago, I received a PR from Daebak Beauty. Well, Daebak Beauty is actually a platform in India where you can get wide range of Korean skincare products and makeup products at amazing prices. Their store is in Kolkata, so if you are from Kolkata, don't forget to visit there. I was selected as one of their pioneers, which was a collaboration between Daebak and Cosmeta, a Korean skincare brand. This was their PR. Actually, I already opened it a few days ago because I can't wait to open it, but didn't try the products yet. So this video is going to be about that only, where I will be reviewing some of the Daebak K-beauty products. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Let's go! So let's open this box. Ta-da! There are actually 2 products. So these are the products that I actually got. Yes, these. So the first product is Bhowanipore Parasys Crispa Moisturizing Toner. Actually, I was using a toner of some different brand, and it almost came to an end. So yeah, I'm happy that I got another toner. I don't have to buy it now. Let's open it. Wow, bottle looks so cute. So let me give you a brief about this product. Yes. Well, it's Bhowanipore Parasys Crispa Moisturizing Toner, and it's a non-sticky toner that contains a large amount of Parasys Crispa mushroom extract to help soothe and moisturize the skin. And the directions of using these are: after washing your face, remove the moisture and take an appropriate amount of this product on your hands and apply it evenly to the skin. As I told you, I haven't opened any of these products, so it's sealed. You can see that it's sealed. Yes. So I'm not gonna remove the seal because it's better to not remove the seal as long as you are not using the product. And this product does not have any kind of specific fragrance, which I really liked about Korean products. Take it like this so that it doesn't fall off too much. Wow, it's lightweight and doesn't feel sticky at all. But always remember to dab your skin like that when you are using a toner, so that it gets absorbed into your skin. See, my skin absorbed this toner real quick. Next comes this Bhowanipore Parasys Crispa Serum. It's actually a serum that should be applied after the toner. Let's unbox it. Wow, wow. Oh, it's so cute. Such a cute packaging it is. Look at this. Isn't it cute? A small little bottle. I'll put this here. Let's try it on my hand. Wow, this serum is so lightweight. So it can be used during summer season in India, and it will be amazing. See, it soaked up all and how shining my skin looks. If you are someone who doesn't like fragrance or have sensitive skin prone to fragrances, then you should definitely must have these two products in your cart. These products are really lightweight, and as I mentioned, it gets absorbed into our skin real quick. So yeah, the skin does not feel sticky at all. These two products will keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, and will make your skin glowy and beautiful. Well, I have mentioned the Daebak Beauty and Cosmica Instagram in my description, and along with it, I also mentioned the Daebak Beauty a store, offline store in Kolkata's location. So don't forget to check both of these out. And yeah. So this was all about the me or beauty of Korea. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you soon. Yeah.
Yo.